In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram "You've been logged out" error. The first thing you want to do is update the Instagram app. For that, open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, you want to type in Instagram and search for that. If you find the option of update, go ahead and tap on that. Using the latest version can fix bugs that may be causing the issue. After the application has been updated, open Instagram and check if your problem has been fixed. If the problem continues, you want to open your phone settings. Now tap on Apps. From this list of applications, scroll down and find Instagram. Now find Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. Now open the Instagram app. Try signing in using your username, email address or mobile number, then enter your password and tap on Login. If you cannot remember your password, you want to tap on the Forgotten Password option and follow the steps to reset it using your email address or phone number. If you recently changed your password or notice suspicious activity on your account, Instagram may have logged you out for security reasons. Simply verify your identity if prompted and sign in again with your updated credentials. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.